The cayenne pepper is renowned for its spicy, bright red peppers. They add quite a punch to any cuisine and are 10 times hotter than jalapenos. Do you know how cayenne peppers get their spice? The spiciness is due to the presence of capsaicin. Capsaicin interacts with the neurons that are responsible for pain. These neurons cannot tell the difference between being burned or being stimulated by spicy foods. That's why eating cayenne peppers or other spicy foods can hurt. But the pain is worth the incredible taste. Cayenne pepper is named after its place of origin, the Cayenne region of French Guiana. However, this plant goes by several other names depending on the variety. The larger and sweeter varieties are typically called red peppers, green peppers, or bell peppers, while the smaller and hotter varieties are called chili peppers. Though the red varieties are the most popular, these peppers can come in shades of yellow, orange, green, and even purple. Most varieties are moderately hot, but some are mild or even sweet. Cayenne peppers are a common vegetable and spice primarily used in cuisines throughout the southern United States and Central America. These peppers are also made into a powder, which is a very popular seasoning. Growing cayenne peppers is incredibly easy. These plants thrive both in the garden and in containers that have excellent drainage. They are quite resistant to most pests and diseases, meaning you don't have to worry too much about them. However, make sure you don't overwater them as they don't do well if water accumulates. Cayenne peppers are a great option to grow in your own home. With minimal effort and a bit of patience, you can have plenty of cayenne peppers to spice up or season any dish.